Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals come to you live from Vietnam. Good morning, guys. What a shit show we're seeing when it comes to cryptocurrency. We're seeing everything has gone down again, guys. And we could be seeing a $13,800 Bitcoin coming in. As I told you, that is my last line of defense. And that is the previous 2019 bull run top, guys. So it is looking gnarly. It's looking nasty out there. So we're going to jump into it. I'm going to tell you what's going on, why we're going down, and is there any hope for crypto? Should you be selling? That is the question. That is the question, out there. So let's get into it. I got my coffee, and it's a great time to be alive, or not, guys. So let's jump in it. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. I'm just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. So as you can see, the U.S. markets tanked yesterday. Looks like the midterms, the results are still coming in, and it's not looking good for the party that's in power right now. So that is nasty out there. But the big news out there, and what is causing the whole crypto markets to tank, is that Binance, after doing its due diligence, basically said, look, we're not going to rescue FTX. Forget about it. There's too much liability. There's too many things beyond our control. So we ain't doing it. So that is bad news bears, guys. So basically, it looks like FTX, which was valued at $32 billion earlier this year, is now in jeopardy of collapsing, and it could be worth about $1, guys. So we could be seeing that Sang Bangman fried chicken is definitely fried out there. It is bad news bears for that pup. He's out of there, guys. So it is not good. DXY is going up. Fear and greed. Wow, people are fearful, but it's not that bad. I was thinking that, with all this crypto contagions that's happening, that we would be seeing the fear and greed would be like in the 18. But it's bad, but it's not as bad. But it's going to get worse because we have a lot of hedge funds and a lot of other crypto exchanges like Nexio that have a huge exposure to FTX. So what we're seeing, absolutely what we're seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is we're seeing exactly the same history being repeated, and we're seeing a Luna Classic 2.0 all over again, guys. This is crazy. This is wacky. And it looks like also the U.S. government is sniffing around as well in terms of FTX and if how they handle their funds. So maybe Sam Bankman-Fried could be getting soap on the rope. So we got Dogecoin, we got Machinsky from Celsius, we got 3 Arrows Capital, we got Voyager, we got Hodl Your Nuts as well. So it looks like they're going to be all going to hotel incarceration out there. So we are seeing that Bitcoin is now down 13.48%. We're seeing Ethereum is down 15.58%. Now they have come up a little bit because Ethereum was down 18%, and we did see that Bitcoin was below $15,000. So what the OG going to be doing? What are we going to be doing? Are we done? Are we absolutely done with this crypto contagion, or are we going to see more? Well, I think that we're going to see more crypto exchanges like Nexio and others out there, and some hedge funds that have had exposure to the FTX token out there, and I think that we're going to see more collapses out there. So are we done? No, it's not over. I firmly believe in my bones that we're going to be seeing $13,800 coming in, and it looks like FTX is bankrupt. And the value of FTX is going to be going down to $1 out there, guys. So if you love the Doge like I love the Doge, don't forget to smash 111. If you love the community, don't forget to smash 555. And is there another crash coming? Hell yeah, there is. Is FTX bankrupt? Hell yeah, it is, guys. So the OG's ranting, the OG's raving out there. So guys, everyone's still talking about FTX. Let's take a look at what's going on with Bitty right now. So Bitcoin yesterday had a huge tank. It went down 10%. And, particularly after Binance said, look, we ain't bailing out FTX, Sam Bankman fried chicken. You're fried out there. Your goose is cooked because there's just too much liability, too much risk for Binance. And also, too, the other thing that scared CZ out there is because the regulators are sniffing around FTX. Binance didn't want to buy it, didn't want to own it, and then have the regulators have an excuse to go after Binance. It won't work it. So luckily, we are seeing a little bit of recovery, about 1.49%. Don't forget that a lot of people are going to start taking long positions now And that's not good because the market makers are going to see that they could have some more hunter wicks coming down to push down Bitcoin to basically wipe out the longs, guys. So we're seeing a lot of leverage as well. The leverage age, they never learn. Look at this weekly dildo right here, guys. This weekly dildo, red dildo, guys and gals. So, like I said, my floor is around about 13.8, 14,000. We have 13.8 right there, 13.8. That is a previous all-time high in the previous bull cycle, guys. So that we have some support there. That is our only technical support. We're seeing a lot of liquidity right now, a lot of liquidity flowing out of Bitcoin. This is gnarly. This is nasty. What else is coming in? I did tell you that our technical support is at 13.8. And there is a concentration of bid liquidity around $15,000, but don't see any real technical support. So this is more evidence that as we have Nexio and other crypto exchanges start to fail, we're definitely going to see that the 13.8 Bitcoin technical support level is going to be challenged. Gotta get the coffee. You know, it's only like 7:30 in the morning here. Yeah, it's early. It's early. The OG's up. So we got to watch out for that. What else is coming in? Looks like Solana founder rally supporters as Solana falls. So because FTX collapsed and FTX has a lot of exposure to Solana, and I didn't talk about it yesterday. Solana, Matic, Sand, Phantom. These are some of the core projects that we've been seeing that some of our holders have been mentioning in our crypto daily trade signals portfolio, which I will build, guys. I apologize. I haven't built it because we just had too much craziness, breaking news out there. So those coins are definitely going to be in trouble, guys. So those are some coins that you want to be watching out for. If you're a Solana holder, you ain't feeling so good right now. Thank good. I got out of mine a long time ago. Binance. So this is coming from We Blockchain. So Binance, as a result of the corporate D&D, destroy and destruction out there, as well as latest news reports regarding mishandled customer funds and alleged U.S. agency investigations, we have decided that we will not pursue potential acquisition. So that once again has left Sam Bankman-Fried in the toilet. His chicken is fried, and he's going to be working at McDonald's. So you know what I mean? That's what's going to be happening. And so, we're going to see a lot more contagion happening, and it just seems that when the markets are down, all of the exchanges, you can see that they don't have good risk management. The customer funds are not backed one-to-one by assets. So what they're doing is they're lending out your funds. They're staking them. They're putting your funds in liquidity pools, and they're trying to make as much profit as possible. But when there's a bank run, they're not liquid enough to be able to handle that. So I must say that CZ is a shark. CZ is one of the most dangerous people out there. A $32 billion company like FTX is now worth maybe $1 out there. What are we seeing? So guys, FTX bankruptcy likely without cash injection, says CEO. So like I said, Sam Bankman-Fried says bankruptcy is likely. Hell yeah, bankruptcy. So it is just kind of crazy, right? This guy was like on top of the world, arrogant SOB. And now his company ain't going to be worth $1. It just shows that they're not practicing good risk management. What is driving them is pure and simple: greed, and greed. If they just stuck to the principles or fundamentals of, if you have your customers' cash, you need to have a one-to-one ratio out there. And if they had done that, or at least an 80% ratio, they're not doing that. They're having 5 to 6% ratio of liquid assets because they're assuming that no one's going to do a bank run, right? So it's all smoke and mirrors, guys. Don't believe it. Don't trust it. Twitter registers as payment biz as post-Musk Dogecoin gains are erased. So this is good. We are now seeing that Elon Musk super app and we're getting closer to possible announcement of the Dogecoin integration, because Musk has now registered as a payment biz. So he just filed this with the SEC. So that is good, guys. This is huge. This is actually huge. I mean, this would be huge news. We'd be seeing Dogecoin going to the moon. going crazy out there if we didn't have this FTX, Binance, CZ, Sam Bankman Fried Chicken. Let's call him Sam the Fried Chicken out there. We didn't have all this catastrophe out there. So that is what that's all about. This site cannot be reached. There we go. So it looks like Solana is, as I said, taking a big hit right now. It's down 38.52%. Wow. What else is happening? We're also seeing, look at FTX, guys. FTX, what a joke out there. It is now worth $2.29. And, let's take a look at seven days. We're seeing that only on the 5th. The 5th, it was worth $25, right? Now it's the 10th. So let's see. On the 8th, it was worth $22. So from the 8th to where we are now, 10th in my time in Vietnam, it ain't worth nothing, guys. It is down, down. So definitely Sam Bankman Fried Chicken. They're bankrupt. They're out of there. Are we done? No, there's more to come. Another crash coming? Hell yeah, it's coming, guys. Get ready, buckle up. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying some Bitcoin. I checked my bank account. I got my bank account. Yep. I'm waiting for the technical support to be hit at 13.8, and then I'm going to be loading up with Bitcoin like a madman. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not telling the wife. I'm just buying like crazy out there. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is down almost 13%. Ethereum is down 15%. BNB is down 18.61%. People, it's tanking a little bit more because there was a lot of upside because people thought that CZ was going to be buying FTX. That ain't happening, so it's out of there. XRP down. Our beloved Doge is down 14.28%. However, we're doing better than Ethereum, so that's not too bad. Polymatic down 20%, taking a hit. That's because Alameda has exposure there. That's not good. Polkadot, Solana, 38% hit. Wow, not good. Let's take a look at what's going on. Bitcoin falls, more than 15%. It's down. If you take a look at Bitcoin and how it has dropped since we had this contagion started, let's go from here to here. It is down now 27%, guys. 27%. Wow, not good at all. What else is happening? Let's take a look at our beloved Doge right now. So Doge, let me clean up the chart for you. You can see here that Doge is actually trying to fight back right now. Doge did not collapse below our 0.682 level. Now, the last time we were kind of at this level was around the October 28th, guys. So we have been here before. So we have actually been here before. This was the whole Twitter Elon Musk thing. And then this was a consolidation, profit taken, and then this is when we started the whole crypto contagion, FTX collapse out there. So where do I see Dogecoin? Well, if Bitcoin stays where we are, then we're probably going to be range bound, probably between 0.795 and 0.68. Now, yesterday was looking good, right? Was looking good after we had the FTX announcement that CZ was buying it. Markets tried to recover a little bit. We did see Doge was getting like close to like 9 cents out there. Was getting close, right? And then bang, pop, pow, CZ dropped the bombshell that they're not buying it. So the short of it is, I think that 0.68 will hold if Bitcoin stays at these current levels. If Bitcoin does retest its technical support at 13.8, then our next stop for Dogecoin is 4 cents, guys. That is what it is. I'm telling the truth. I'm not going to pull any punches. Let's take a look at what's going on with Doge in terms of the technicals. We are seeing our volumes have dropped, so that is good. That is good. There's going to be less selling now, right? There should be less selling. If you take a look again here, you can still see there's less selling now. Less volume, less selling. There's more buying right now, so that is a good sign. And our market cap is down to 10 billion, and that is where it was, almost like 9 days ago. Get your words right, OG. Get your words right. It's early, guys. It's early. I still got cobwebs in the brain. I've got half a cup of coffee in there. I need to get some coffee. So it is what it is, guys and gals. So it's not looking good out there. Shiba Weeby, pretty much the same thing. It has collapsed out there. It has added another zero. Bad news bears. We're seeing Ethereum is also trying to come back now. So that is good. So hopefully we'll see a little bit of recovery today. But don't forget, we got the CPI data that is coming out today. So if the CPI data is not good, that is going to be bad. So guys and gals, I know it is not looking good for crypto. Are we done yet? No. Bankman-Fried, bankrupt, yes. Another crash coming. I would say at this point, I would say 60-40. That's why I'm waiting. I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin once we go down some more. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Sorry I don't have good news for you. I'm absolutely sorry about that. Nothing I can do. We got 5,040 followers. What's trending on Twitter right now is, you can see here, this is what's trending on Dogecoin is still trending. Dogecoin is trending, and Crypto Crash is trending as well. So that's what's trending with Dogecoin is trending. So it looks like this is coming from Elon Musk. Says we are changing the text to say legacy verified, could be notable, but could also be bogus. Wow. I'm still confused about, if you have this subscription, does that mean you automatically get the Twitter Blue? I don't know. I'm paying a subscription. I can't figure it out what's going on with that. So that is what's going on. Guys, don't forget to go and follow me on Twitter again. And don't forget to show some love. We got Dogecoin Tippy Jar. Guys, this is a really good time to get your freaking crypto off exchanges. Once again, get it off exchanges. Get it onto hardware wallet. If you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, guys. And like if you had money in FTX, bye-bye. So guys, go check out my link below. I appreciate it. And also don't forget to get the merch, guys. It's right here, guys. You're going to love it. I love it. So let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Be well, or as well as you can be. Be happy in the know that Sam Bankman-Fried, the arrogant person, he got his up-and-comings. Comma is a BITCH, and his $32 billion company is now worth about $1, guys. So see you later, Sam Bankman-Fried chicken. But the thing is, all of us out there, you and me out there, we have all become collateral damage in terms of our portfolios are looking like poo-poo schmata out there. So be well, pick up the pieces, try to be as happy as you can. If you're not, that's why I always say never invest more than you're willing to lose, not financial advice, because like me, I am cool, I am panicking. Yeah, my portfolio looks like crapalulu out there, but I ain't selling a thing. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. So that is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. Never invest your rent. Never invest your college fund. Never invest your food out there. Don't do that. Don't do that. It's bad news. Okay, guys? So be well, be blessed, be beautiful, be peaceful out there. That is all I got. See you later, guys. Woo!